servicing Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Monona County, northern Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, northwestern Shelby County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Burt County, northeastern Washington County, until 7:45 a.m. At 7:19 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles north of Mundaman, or 37 miles north of Omaha, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pisgah around 7:25 a.m. Moorhead around 7:35 a.m. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 86 and 101. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Harrison and Shelby, and the following counties in Nebraska, Burt and Washington.